Creating a workflow in Jira involves defining the stages through which your issues will progress, setting up transitions between stages, and specifying conditions and validators for each transition. Here's how to create a workflow effectively. Access workflow configuration. Log into Jira as an administrator and navigate to the Jira administration panel. Under Issues, select Workflows to access workflow configurations. Choose Workflow Scheme. If you're creating a new workflow, decide whether to associate it with an existing workflow scheme or create a new one. Create or edit workflow. Select the workflow you want to create or edit. If creating a new one, start by defining the initial status and subsequent stages through which issues will progress. Set up transitions. Define transitions between workflow stages, indicating how issues move from one status to another. Add conditions and validators to transitions to control when they can be executed. Configure statuses. Customize statuses to represent different stages of your workflow. Assign statuses to workflow stages and transitions as appropriate. Test and refine. Test your workflow to ensure it functions as expected. Make adjustments as needed based on testing outcomes and user feedback. Associate workflow with project. Associate your workflow with one or more projects by configuring workflow schemes. Ensure that the appropriate workflow scheme is applied to each project. Publish and deploy. Once satisfied with your workflow configuration, publish it to make it available for use. Deploy the workflow to relevant projects to start using it to manage issues effectively.